Hi, I'm Tim Zacharias with your Cougar USA Tip of the Week.
This week, we will show you the motor starters on the Cougar System's Elite Sump Pump Control Panel. We use combination starters that include the pump motor circuit breaker, overload, and contactor all in one unit. In the off position, the circuit breaker turns off power to the overload, contactor, and pump motor. The green tab can be used to lock out and tag out the pump motor for service. If the circuit breaker trips from a ground fault or short circuit, the operator will move to the tripped position. When the circuit breaker is either off or tripped, that pump will not run and the light on the door-mounted pump operator will not turn on. To reset, rotate the operator to the left and then back to the on position. When the controller calls a pump to run, the contactor closes and power is sent to the pump motor. There is visual feedback showing whether the contactor is open or closed. Below the circuit breaker is the electronic overload, which has a wide range of adjustability. Use a screwdriver to adjust the overload current setting to align the small arrow with the pump motor's full load amps. The overloads include a 25% safety factor, so you do not need to add anything to the full load amps. For example, if the full load amps of the pump motor is 10 amps, set the overload at 10 amps, not 12.5. The overload electronically measures the motor current and trips the circuit breaker when the motor current exceeds the set point. When this happens, you will see visual indication that the circuit breaker tripped due to high current. Again, when the circuit breaker is tripped, the pump will not run and the light on the door-mounted pump operator will not turn on. To reset, turn the operator to the left and then back to the right to the on position.